Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create a fun colors trivia quiz for kids using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. To create our trivia quiz, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. It's one of the finest platforms to create disposable WordPress websites to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick disposable WordPress website in no time. So, let's dive into it. I have already created and installed the QSM plugin on my website. To see how to install QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card on the top right corner of this video. Alright, so let's start by creating the quiz. The first step is to hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Second is once you click on Create a Quiz or Survey, the first thing we see is to select a theme for the quiz. Now, QSM has a collection of stunning themes, but for now, let's go with the default theme and click on Next. And the last step is, once you're on the quiz setting, we get an option for the initial setup of our quiz. Let's set a name for the quiz and select what kind of form we are using. The time limit, you can set a timer to your form. You could also select if you want only logged-in users to be able to fill in the form. Let's not do that for a time being. Okay, so now comes the add-ons section, where we get to see the most used or popular add-ons of QSM. You could also select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, and surveys. Currently, we don't need any add-on, so let's select on Create Quiz. Here comes the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for the Colors Trivia Quiz. Let's enter the questions for our quiz. Let's start with the first one to know about the kids' knowledge about the colors. After entering the question, on the right-hand side, you can choose the type of question and answer from the drop-down. I am taking the multiple-choice type question for all the questions and writing 3 choices of different colors and giving them points as per the right answer. And if you want, you can mark the question as required, so this question can't be skipped. Then click on the Save question. Since our first question is saved, let's click on Create a New Page with a new question at the bottom of the Questions tab. Let's create the second page with the second question. For this question, also, we will be selecting the multiple choice type question and writing choices with respective points. Once you've filled in the question, then click on Save Question. Now let's create third page question by repeating the process. Save the question. Again, create the fourth page question. Save the question. And finally, the last page question. Save question. Now all the questions are saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants. Click on Add New Field, and let's select the field type and label it as Name. Let's add another field to take the respective date. Let's select the field type as Date and label it as Date. Then click on the Save Contact field. Now, since our question for the quiz is set and the contact field is configured, let's set our final result page for the quiz as per the score. So, go to the Result Pages tab. Here, you can set conditions as per you when this page should be shown. Now, after setting the conditions, we have to design the final result page that we have to show people. So, enter the message and take different variables from these templates. I am taking the user name variable to put in my message. To improve my result page, I'm also taking the point score variable, as you can see here, to show the total score for the user reference. As this is the trivia quiz, and I want to show users the questions and its correct answers, so I am keeping this variable as it is. You can also write the result description if you want to. Okay, so let's preview our trivia quiz by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you can see, we have created the quiz successfully with all the separate pages and it's working just fine. Also, you can set the timer running on the rightmost bottom of the page. And that's all for this tutorial. Stay tuned for new tutorials. Until next time, bye-bye. Stay safe.